this is a big important tip, and I think this will really help a lot of people surge ahead. A lot of people have the problem of not being very social, not being able to interact with people, not being able to get results, not being able to have a connection in business, with a relationship, with friends, with family, with new people that you meet, with new things that you want to talk about. All these sort of things pop up, and it's effective that you're able to be a sociable person. And one big tip that a lot of people don't really grasp, and is so important, is attitude. You want to have the right attitude, and a big part of that is you want to have a sense of humor. You want to take things lightly. You want to see the funny side in things, the easy side and the lighter side. But what often I've seen that happens is you want to have humor, but don't be making fun of people. Don't be having a humor towards choices that people make, towards the things that people do. Things like habits, traits, difference in culture, difference in how they look, difference in how they do things, difference even down to the food choices that people make. For me personally, I don't care what people say, but I have noticed, and this I think this is one of the most underestimated things. People do not realize how sensitive the majority of people are, and that's no matter how high up you go in anywhere, any direction. I don't care who you meet. So often people are extremely sensitive, and one small joke or thing making fun of what someone does can really take away from building a strong friendship, a great relationship, or even trying to progress in anything you're doing. I've learned, whenever you're trying to make sales, it's good to have fun. It's good to have a great sense of humor, but that can really cost you big results. It can cost you big opportunities, and just sometimes a small remark can really make someone not want to do something. And it's as simple as, not you haven't done something wrong, but they're just not developed in a way that they can handle themselves, laugh it off, see the funny side. They can take something that's such a joke and make it a big deal. And I'm not saying that to make you afraid. If that has happened to you, you did more than the person who didn't try. But just tailor it to have humor about things that are outside of the individual, something that you both can easily laugh at and isn't going to be confused. Don't let this be something that sets up a fear in you, but rather just educates you more, so you can start to tailor your sense of humor, so you can have a great attitude, a happy attitude, a sense of humor, but not something that can offend people. It's great to be yourself. It's great to have jokes and different things, but whenever it comes down to business, whenever it comes down to trying to get great results with people, be careful of the things you say, and not in a sense of you're terrified, but in a sense of just be accurate, be effective, and you'll start to notice that you'll get along better with people by having a great attitude, by being positive, excited, not to any extreme sense where you're buzzing to the extent you might be overwhelming, but more to the extent of you got a good head on your shoulders, you're focused, and you're effective at what you're doing, and still have that edge of excitement, that edge of happiness, and that edge of a sense of humor. So whenever you are interacting with someone, you're engaging, you're exciting, and you can really surge ahead with getting results, with closing the deal, with making the influence, or with sealing the relationship. And not everybody really gets to the point where they can say that it doesn't matter who I'm in contact with, we'll always have a great time and we'll always be able to get great results. And as you do that, the boost in your life will be astronomical, by just making those small changes, by having a great attitude, by having a sense of humor, but making it accurate. You can really start to go from conversations going flat, dead, people not responding the way you thought they would, to being able to predict and also influence people in a whole new direction. Get your mission on point, get your focus on point, get your humor on point, get your attitude on point. Keep working, experience, nothing beats it. Be smart, keep going, and let me know how that goes for you.